This 5-drawer toolbox from DeeZee helps you get the job done faster by making it easier to keep your tools organized. It's a pretty quick and easy installation. The key is to use the mounting tray to place the toolbox in the truck bed. Remove the bottom drawer to access the locking tab, which allows you to release the mounting tray from the toolbox. Just press the latch posts together, then push the bottom tray towards the back of the box. Position the mounting tray behind the fender flare of your choice, making sure you have the front facing the tailgate. Once the mounting tray is in position, mark the holes prior to drilling. Then drill through the bed exterior with a 3/8-inch bit. Line up the holes to the mounting tray and insert the bolts. Once you slide the toolbox back onto the mounting tray, you can reinsert any trays that were removed during installation. So you can see it hardly took any tools to give you access to a whole lot of tools. If you have questions about adding more life to your truck, visit DeeZee.com or call 800-779-2102.